In this video, we are going to fix a common problem with Discord. Sometimes, when you try to open Discord, it gets stuck on a screen that says, "Checking for updates." Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is close Discord completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. If you see the Discord icon in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock, right-click on it and choose Quit Discord. Now, find the Discord shortcut on your desktop. This is the icon you usually double-click to open Discord. Right-click on it, then click on Properties from the menu. A new window will open. At the top of this window, click on the tab that says Compatibility. Look for a section called Compatibility Mode. You'll see a checkbox that says, "Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4." Check that box. Once you check it, a drop-down menu will become active. From that list, choose either Windows 7 or Windows 8. Try Windows 8 first, as it's more likely to work with Discord. Once you've selected it, click Apply and then click OK. Next, you can also try running the Compatibility Troubleshooter. To do this, right-click the Discord shortcut again, go back into Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, look for a button that says Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. Click that. Windows will try to find settings that work better with Discord. Just follow the instructions on your screen. When it's done, test Discord again to see if the problem is fixed. Another thing you can do is run Discord as an administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut again, click on Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. This time, look for a box that says, "Run this program as an administrator." Check that box too, then click Apply and click OK. Now, try opening Discord again and see if it works. If Discord is still stuck, there's one more thing you can try. You can uninstall Discord from your computer and then install it again. To uninstall it, go to the Start menu, type in Add or Remove Programs, and press Enter. Look for Discord in the list. Click on it, then click Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, open your web browser and go to the official Discord website. Download the latest version from there and install it on your computer. That's it. These steps should help solve the problem. Thanks for watching.